Hello everyone, welcome on Just Learn channel. Today we are going to start the new topic, OneDrive course, the basic. The first lesson is just only introduction on OneDrive to help you better start with this application. Let's begin. How to get access to the OneDrive. After we buy some subscription from Microsoft, easily just go to office.com, login. I already did it. After login, we will see such menu web page. OneDrive is under app section here. For the future case, to easily go to OneDrive, I just pin to my menu, clicked 3 dots and just pin. Okay, application is pinned for the future. Let's just switch to the OneDrive. After I click the OneDrive, I will be redirected to the OneDrive. What I can see here. On the left, you will see under my name, my account name, all folders, for example, home folder, when we can see all files that we open or maybe someone else share with us. I can see my files. This is just only my files. I will not see here the shared files with me. I can see shared. Under this section, I will see the files that I shared with someone else or maybe someone else shared with me. Favorites. If I mark the files like favorites, it will appear here. What does mean mark? Let me just switch to my files. You will see near each of the files or folder, there is possibility to mark them using the star like favorite. Pick. And you see new file just appear here. Okay, recycle bin. In recycle bin, I will see all files that I delete. And we have two stages of recycle bin. First stage that will keep all files 93 days, and the second stage. Under the second stage, files will be kept additional 93 days. So after the files or folder will be deleted, everything will be kept in the recycle bin more than 180 days. These rules is valid just only for business subscription. For personal one, there is much more less days when the files will be kept. It is something about 30 plus 30 or just only 30. I'm not sure, but remember that it's totally different rules. We are focusing on the business subscription because we have much more to see here. All right, what else? We can filter files by people, meeting, and media. So this is something like filtering option. We can easily create or upload something. There is the rules drag and drop, but if not, you can just click create or upload and you can create something, upload files, upload folder, even create the link. All right, let's switch to the settings section. Upper right corner, we see there's settings. Under the settings, we can open the more advanced settings and change notification that we would like to get, or more settings when we have much more to do. I am not going to focus on this option. Some of them will be partially covered in the future. All right, what else is under here? Under the settings, restore your OneDrive. We can restore whole OneDrive. Backup and restoring and files version will be covered in the next movie. We can download the OneDrive application. By default, OneDrive application is installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If not, you can easily download. I will say something more about the application on OneDrive for about 2-3 minutes. Okay. We can change the themes. We can turn on dark mode if you would like. And change the password. All right. Let's switch again to the OneDrive. And All right, let's switch to the local application. The local application that will be installed and after you log in will be always synchronizing everything with the cloud and vice versa. Cloud version will always synchronize everything with the local application. This is the real-time synchronization. This means that after you copy or create something in the cloud, it will be visible in seconds in the local application. All right, let's switch to the local application. After I put the OneDrive, I will see the OneDrive folder. Let me just open. And you see that the folder is here. Let me just say something more about that, because on my computer you will see the personal and the company. This is the business. In the cloud I just show you the business. You could be confused, yeah? When you're using more subscription. I'm using the personal and the business one. At the past, Microsoft has two different applications. The personal one has the white cloud icon. The business has the blue. Currently, Microsoft made some change and the icon looks the same, but the description is different. Personal and company. And business one like company. This is my business one. All right. Inside the application you will see the same file and also some status for each of the file. Icon status I already covered it, and you will see the link to my another movie just to see something more about the icons. Whatever you create something here, it will be visible in the cloud and vice versa. All right, let me just say something more about the OneDrive settings. You can go to the OneDrive setting in many different ways. Let me just show you the quickest way. Just right click on the folder, go to OneDrive and open the settings. You will see such a window when you can see the storage and some basic configuration. Definitely you should go to manage backup, because under the manage backup you can turn on if some folder from your computer will be automatically synchronized with the cloud. For example, desktop. I'm not using it for my personal purpose, but maybe you would like to use it. After you mark desktop, everything what you create on your desktop will be automatically synchronized with the cloud. So this is pretty nice backup. So definitely you should consider. What else? We can turn on save photos and videos from the device, turn on save screenshot and capture to OneDrive. We can turn on synchronization on device on the battery, and we can see more advanced option. For example, we can limit the download rate or upload rate. What we see when you just turn on, click the arrow, you can limit if you like. All right. Under the account section, you will see information about the account. This is my personal one, but it doesn't matter for you. You can add more accounts here. Notification. I always using all notification, and about you will see the version of OneDrive and something additional. All right, so this is everything about the OneDrive basic. Don't forget to subscribe to be quickly notified, and just please follow my channel. Here you see in the next movie. Next movie will be about the backup and file restoration.